Looking for a credit card that can earn you airline points without overwhelming fees? Most people get this wrong, but here's why the ANZ Frequent Flyer Platinum credit card could be a smart choice if you fly often. This card is designed for travelers who want to rack up Qantas frequent flyer points while enjoying practical perks. One of the biggest advantages is the welcome bonus points. When you meet the minimum spend in the first few months, you can earn tens of thousands of points, which can cover a domestic flight or part of an international ticket. That alone can offset the annual fee if you travel strategically. The card also offers a competitive earn rate on everyday spending. For every dollar spent on eligible purchases, you earn points directly into your frequent flyer account. The surprising truth is that it's not just about flying. You can accumulate points through groceries, fuel, and even bills, which adds up faster than most people realize. Additional benefits include complimentary travel insurance, purchase protection, and access to certain travel offers. However, you should know that the annual fee is not waived, and it's higher than basic cards, so it's best suited for people who will actively use the points and perks. Most people get caught up in flashy reward schemes, but the real value here is consistency. The card is straightforward, and with proper use, it can save you money on flights and give you extra travel security. In conclusion, the ANZ Frequent Flyer Platinum credit card is ideal if you're a frequent traveler, love earning Qantas points, and want practical perks like travel insurance. It's not for casual spenders, but for the right person. It's a rewarding tool. Subscribe for more honest credit card reviews and tips to make the most of your points.